That'll be the 1/3 cup of oats. One banana. The more browner it gets, the more sweeter it gets. 1/3 cup of milk, which I already did. With this milk. And 1/2 of teaspoon. And a dash of salt. And 1/3 of natural unsweetened Hershey's cocoa. So now I gotta mix them up. So I had to add some sweetener or sugar, white sugar, either of choices. Now it should be good for now. While adding sweetener. And I already put the batter on the bowl. And I'm gonna microwave it in a few minutes. What I'm doing, I'm making it a microwave chocolate oats, actually. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I think I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 1 minute. I think. It wasn't not bad. Not bad. To put in the microwave for 1 minute. And I hope you guys enjoying watching me doing a microwave chocolate oats in a healthy way, actually. It takes like 1 minute to make it, the chocolate oats on the microwave. And I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.